guys, and welcome to another channel update. So just been out during the golden hour trying to get some photos for Instagram. So if you're following me on Instagram, you will have noticed that hopefully that the photo quality has gone up. So I'm trying to raise my Instagram game, and also with a new camera, which I'm going to show you, and also starting to buy some lenses for that camera as well. Also, there's going to be a surprise at the end, so stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome to my office. This is where I do all my editing and all the magic happens. So as I said, I wanted to up my photograph and Instagram game, and I bought a new camera. So I bought the m50. It's a mirrorless camera. Wanted to start with a cheaper one, not go all the way up to EOS R. So I want to start with the m50 first, then learn a bit, and then maybe upgrade later on. So as you see, it comes with a pretty small lens. It's a 15 to 45 mil, and I wanted to use this camera but also buy a bigger lens. So what I bought was Canon 16 to 35. It's a L series lens, which is has an aperture of 2.8, so it gets a lot of light in. So the L series with the red rings is the Pro series from Canon, so it's pretty expensive. I bought this second hand, and it's the version 2 of the 16 to 35. So you have the first, the second, and you also have a third edition of this lens. To use the L series lens, which is a full frame lens on this camera, which don't have a full frame sensor, you need to get a speed booster. And I bought the Viltrox speed booster. This fits on the camera, and then you can use the EF mount lenses, and this is a full frame, like so. So you can see the difference, and so I've been testing this out and starting to learn more, and the result is it's pretty good. So check out these photos I just took. good, right? So if you liked photos, comment down below. If you didn't like it, comment down below and let me know what I can do better. So I will try to learn using this as good as I can, and also try and start using it for filming. I'm currently using the GoPros, Hero 6 and Hero 7, but I am thinking of going over to this when to get like better quality video and also better in low light. So you can see in the videos that I've been doing, when it gets low light it gets really blurry. Hopefully the camera is gonna make me take better photos, also make better videos in terms of video quality. If it's gonna make me create better content, I don't know, hopefully it will. But something that I know will help me make better content, especially for the Overland series, is it's a drone. Yes, probably you guessed it, but finally get a drone. It's the Mavic 2 Pro with the smart controller. Also got climber kit with 2 extra batteries. So this is gonna be epic. It's gonna raise the quality of the content on this channel like a lot, especially on the Overland series. It will give you the perspective that's been missing, like the overview shots, flyby shots, follow shots through all the nice nature in Norway. So I'm really looking forward to getting to learn how to use it, and also getting some awesome shots for you guys. So yeah, really excited. So if you haven't subscribed yet, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you next time.